Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. This is Connor from Futures Analytica, bringing you guys another live futures trading session on ES Futures. We're using the Polarity automated trading interface today. With machine learning, we have the heuristic parameter optimization button enabled. We're going to be arming it in both directions. Immediately after we armed it, we actually got filled there into a short position. There we go. Oh, just got to pull up my executions feed here. You can see that we actually have our live executions with timestamps and price. Of course, we're going to be in trend mode all day today again. We're doing that trend mode only quote unquote test on ES. I've done some, of course, off stream that have done very, very well, of course. So with this new machine learning, I think that you don't really have to switch as much as you did before between modes. Hey Kyle, Killingforth. Your question was, what's your minimum stacked and balanced set to in Polarity for NQ? NQ is just going to be 1, but again, this is actually ES, not NQ. I know that you probably knew that, but just to clarify for other viewers out here. And if you just import template, it's already gonna have my exact settings for NQ. There we go. Just got filled on that one, up to $816 on the day. It's going to be 2 wins for us so far. Hey Connor, just wondering why you have mouse overlay when you hover over the chart, but not when you scroll over to the side menu. Thanks. I think I do have it over on the side menu. If I don't, let me look. I actually don't know why that's not enabled, but I thought it was in a couple of streams ago, but that's just an option in OBS. I think that for that window, we don't have it enabled, but I can change that right now. It has capture cursor on, so I'm not sure exactly what the story is there. Just got filled into a short position here. We got stopped out of that trade, but we got filled immediately into a consecutive one. This time it's in the long direction. Also, just for our viewers who have joined since I started, we are doing trend mode only today, even though this is a regression zone. Unfortunately, that's going to be a consecutive loss down to 641. Hey, Winston, to answer your question, the VPS is coming along really well. We've just met with a couple of providers who are going to be on site for us to manage and set the hardware. We just ordered the hardware, and we're we're getting ready to launch the site. So stay posted for that, but we're pretty excited about what's coming up in the future for it. There we go, just got filled there. Also, I'd love some feedback on some exact hardware specifications you guys need. I'm we're going to be launching it with the hardware specifications that I use on mine, um, which is a 2699 dual, and it's going to be 2 physical cores per server. Going to be 8 gigabytes of RAM, but we're going to offer a 16 gigabyte plan and possibly a 32 gigabyte plan if you guys are interested. Would love feedback on that. It'll be a 1 gigabit per second link. And bandwidth will be limited to about 1,000 gigabytes per user per month. If you guys need more, we can add that, but I don't think that any of you are going to be using that much bandwidth because even like NinjaTrader only uses about 30 kilobytes a second. So hey, Nate, to answer your question, the VPS will work for you in Asia if you're curious about trading. And I do understand that trading from Asia without one is going to introduce some pretty significant delays in terms of trading if you don't have a VPS. But fortunately, because the automated trading itself will be hosted on, well, there we go. We just got filled into 2 trades there. Won the first one, won the second one there. Just got immediately filled into a third one. We're getting filled back to back. Looks like there's a pretty big drop happening here. Wow, we won like, I don't even know how many trades we just won there. But this time we got into a long trade. Holy, okay. Now we're up to $3,000 on the day. We just had a crap ton of back-to-back trades there. I'm glad we were in trend mode. Man, someone's got to clip that. There we go, up to 3,500 on the day there. This is the kind of volatility we like to see on ES. Up to 4,000 on the day now. Climbing pretty quickly at this point. Hey, Beto Cars, let me look for that question. I see you followed up on something. Yes, we do have support available. Just shoot an email to our support and we'll help you out with that. Hey, Belgoro, your question was, could you make a tutorial explaining everything regarding chart setup, and the strategy itself? It's hard to gather this information from everywhere. Yeah, of course. So we actually do have a tutorial on that on our channel. I'm not sure if you've seen it. Look for the setup guide, and that's going to explain everything in regards to that. If you're looking for actually how the strategy works, that is a separate video, unfortunately, but you are correct that we should work on a centralized database on exactly how to get that. Just got filled into a short position here. End up winning that one up to 4,300 on the day. You can see there's quite a bit of volatility at this point. I'll end up filling on that one very quickly as well. Immediately into another short trade there. End up winning that one up to $5,100 on the day. This is insane. We're going to keep trading past our take profit here, or past our profit target, till we can at least take advantage of all this volatility. See how far we can push it. Just got filled into another short position. We're just going to keep going until we lose a trade, which might happen just now. We'll see. Hopefully we can keep this momentum going. Yeah, yeah, so we lost there. So I turned off my strategy just because it was looking like that was going to happen. I didn't want to get filled immediately into a second one and dip below our $5,000 profit target there. But that was a really short session, up to 52.50 on the day. I'm pretty excited about that. That was pretty insane. I think we got like 8 or 9 trades within a 3-minute period. But yeah, that was a really productive session, guys. So I hate to call it so early. I know that you guys have asked so many questions that I'm trying to get to. But wow, did we just miss out on this giant move over here? Man, I'm getting mad FOMO. I gotta step away from the computer. I feel like I'm gonna start trading again, but I feel like every time I try and push past my defined either maximum loss or maximum gain, I end up losing some. So um, I know I probably should be shooting for a higher profit target per day now, but I just can't shake the feeling that I'm gonna mess up. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm going to be posting some more information shortly on our community page about that VPS system coming out. Um, we're going to be doing pre-orders, but there is going to be, you can refund that pre-order if you don't want to, but you will lose your spot. So we're going to have a limited number of spots just because the hardware is pretty expensive and we don't want to have too much of an upfront investment. But this, you guys pre-ordering will help us order more slots. So that'll be pretty helpful. I'm not sure exactly when we'd expand on that. I think that would be in like 2 months when we'd order more. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in today, and I'll see you guys soon.